Welcome to QiYoga's LuChin. There are over a dozen acupuncture points in the body known for effectively treating knee pain, with 8 of them located around the knee joints. In this two-part series, we are going to focus on those 8, learning how to use those powerful points to alleviate knee pain and bring comfort to the knee joints. The best medicines in our body. Let's tap into it. In this video, I will guide you through a technique I learned from an 80-year-old Taoist physician to utilize 4 points together to relieve discomfort in the knee joint. First, let's find out what those marvelous points are. There are a pair of acupoints located below the patellas, your kneecap, referred to as the Xiyan points. The direct translation is the eyes of the knees. You can easily find them with the knee bend. These 2 points are at lower border of the patella, in the hollow next to the patellar ligament. Don't they look like a pair of eyes to you? The lateral one is the outer eye on the stomach meridian, and the medial point is the inner eye. These points activate the channels and alleviate pain, reduce swelling, prevent degenerative lesions in the knee joints, help with numbness and atrophy of the lower leg. The stomach and the spleen meridian are often used to treat knee pain. The spleen meridian travels along the inside, the medial side of the leg. The stomach meridian runs along the outer side, the lateral side of the leg. The next 2 points are on the thigh, also opposite from each other. 血海, sea of blood, which is on the spleen meridian, located 2 thumbs breadth from the upper border of the kneecap. Finding the kneecaps here. This is the upper border of your kneecap, the patella. From this corner, measure 2 thumbs breadth. 1, 2. The point is on the inside of the leg. If you press on the area where the muscle bulges, it will hurt. I can feel right away it's tender. The 血海 point regulates blood circulation, clears inflammation, especially in the skin. It treats knee pain and restores healthy blood flow through the knee. The last point we're going to learn is the 梁丘 point. And on the other side, this is the 梁丘, the ridge mound. This is the sea of blood. This is the ridge mound. It belongs to the stomach meridian. It treats knee pain and swelling, helping with leg pain and stomach pain. Here I will show you another way to find these 2 points together. Bend your knees naturally. You can be sitting on a chair, the floor, or your bed. First, find the upper edge of the kneecap, the patella. So use this part, use the webbing between your thumb and your index finger. In Chinese, this part is called 虎口, tiger's mouth. Find the top edge of the patella, then have the 虎口to lined up with the top edge of the kneecap, where your thumb and your index finger touches. But bring the index finger come back slightly, so make it the same length as the thumb. Here you have the 2 points. Then press your pinky into the posterior side of the point, that's the ridge mound, and your thumb press into the sea of blood, this is the 血海. Press your index finger and middle finger into the Xiyan points. Apply firm and direct pressure, especially really digging in with your index and middle finger into the eyes. So I will use my other hands to help to push down. Press straight down, hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then lift and press down again. You can also apply a bit of circular motion while holding the pressure. Try to do this for 5 minutes each time. It brings instant relief. It feels so good. While digging into those eyes on my right knee, in the very beginning, I always hear cryptus, the crackling sound. I have a small tear in the meniscus on the medial side and some cartilage loss on the lateral side. However, the sound is barely there on my left knee, as it doesn't have the same level of the problem. But after a minute or so into massage, the sound began to disappear. As the flow of qi and the blood improves, soon I will feel a nice itching and tingling sensation, and possibly even a really warm and soothing sensation in these eyes, indicating the fluid movement and blood flow. Massage these powerful points can help make synovial fluid less viscous, improving its ability to lubricate the joint, reduce stiffness and discomfort. You can also work on both sides at the same time. Combine these points during acupressure will strongly improve the flow of qi and blood in the knees, relieve pain, and help heal the knee after injury or treat knee osteoarthritis, potentially preventing the need for surgery. I usually focus on my right knee more because that's the side has more pain, but I do work on my left side as well. And as we age and overuse, our knee joints are bearing so much. So it's good to work on the knee that doesn't hurt for prevention. It is okay to massage these points over your pants. And also feel free to change up your hands. I have a little bit arthritis on my finger joints, so I can't use the same hands for the entire session. Sometime in my class, when I'm guiding through a seated cat call, I might pinch my fingers into those powerful points. While I'm working on the sequence, I'm also giving these marvelous points an acupressure massage. I sometimes, maybe on my yoga mat, if my knee started bothering me, I would have my fingers press into these 4 points. And with my knees are bent, I can just bend the knees slightly up and down. You see the pressure is going into the point. Feels really good and nice and easy. So you can do this on your bed, or maybe working on one leg at a time, like this. Other hands helping apply more pressure. So there are a variety of ways you can utilize these points. These are the medicine embedded in our body. Every time I massage these, especially the xiyan, and I just started feeling the relief from the knees. Friends, I hope you enjoyed learning these powerful points. Please let me know how it goes for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Do share these techniques with family and friends. Sharing is caring. Until next time.